Hey guys, this is Huzaifa from YouTube channel Pursuit Academy. Today I will not be able to be on camera due to some personal reasons. So today we will be discussing how to manifest whatever you desire. Now this manifestation includes each and everything, whether it's Srimbrazi, whether it's Arakara or any damn thing, right? You need to make sure that you know the secret, right? This is the secret for manifestation. And first of all, when you are just trying to manifest, being happy is the number one reason. You yourself must be happy. Then only you will be able to manifest anything. So today's topic is how to manifest whatever you desire. So you can have anything you want within the bounds of nature and on a deeper level of understanding. It is truly so. Why then many people don't get what they want? I will just give you the few reasons. So there are a few reasons here we will just take into consideration why just people are not able to manifest. If you're new to this channel and before I start the talk, make sure you like and subscribe, right? And just we talk about becoming the greatest version, positivity, motivation, talking in all areas of life, whether it's health, wealth, love, and happiness. So, number one reason is the desires are weak. People may think they want something, but no, they won't die without it. So, the desire does not have the energy for manifesting. So, as you know, in this universe, everything is energy. So, for example, if you are not having the energy of desire, like the desire that gives the energy, that you are not having any kind of desire for that manifestation, for the manifestation of $10,000, you don't have any desire, you don't have any power, you don't even consider, right? And so, how will the manifestation work? It starts with the burning desire to want something. Right? That is the prerequisite to manifest anything into your life. The burning desire, and for that you can go to any extent, and you can do whatever it takes, right, to achieve that. There is a burning desire. It is a number one reason that people are failing to manifest anything in their life because they are not having this burning desire. So this is the number one reason, right? So make sure that whatever your goal you want to manifest, right, your desire is the number one priority, and make it so strong that you want it, right? That is your goal. Keep the picture in the mind, right? Note down, write down whatever you can do to remember that desire. So even if you're losing that track, or even if you're not having the time to focus, you can just take consider the desire, and then that will help you to just have a clear focus on what you want to manifest, right? Number one. Number two is a lack of clarity. That you change your mind on your desires too often. Today you are manifesting $20,000. Then you decide you are not worth, you are worth more, and read at your goals of 50,000. Soon you will be up to 1 million. I mean, why not? After all, the universe size does not matter. So the universe is here being confused on how much money you actually want, and nothing happens. So it's kind of, you must be focused on that particular goal till you have achieved something. Not you are just altering many things like $20,000, then 50,000, then 1 million. Universe, universe will confuse and it will not help you to manifest. Right? So actual goal, actual desire must be there. Right? Before you even think of manifestation, these are some of the requirements, right? And the number one requirement I already told is being happy, because a lot of people just think that when I will achieve this thing, or when I will be manifesting this thing, then only I will be happy. But it's kind of reverse. When you are happy and when you are great within your mind, right? And so now with that energy, you attract more positive abundance energy into your life, and you attract or you manifest whatever you want, right? So there is the power. Number three, the desire comes from the place of lack, desperation, fear, and want. That's what I just told, right? Remember, you don't attract what you want, but you attract who you are. When people desperately want something, they focus on not having it in moment. So not having it keeps them showing up. Oh my God, this is real. This is the next level. Make sure you just mark this, right? This is so important, right? Yet people don't understand when it comes to manifestation, right? So make sure you just remember this is the most important point, right? So what is the desire comes from the place of lack, right? You're not into the abundance or anything, you're into lack. So lack, desperation, fear, and want, right? Remember, you don't attract what you want, but you attract what you are. So when people are desperately want something, they focus on not having at that moment. Like I want to have 50,000, I want to have 50,000. This means that, right? You're desperate, yeah, and you're lacking, right? And so the main thing here you can do is just let go, right? But you know in the mind that okay, this is my goal, but you let go, right? You trust the universe, you trust the process, you are not after it, right? You are not wanting it, right? When you stop wanting, you get everything. When you stop wanting, you get everything. This means like that, right? So so when you show this kind of black desperation, it means that you are showing anxiety, and now universe will always think that okay, so this is not having, right? This is lacking, so it will never show up. You will never be into abundance side. This is the next thing. Number four, people don't actually believe they can manifest or understand the universe principle of manifestation. Faith is the medium through which the desire manifests. Without faith, the desire can't get you. Is also next level. So you actually don't believe that you will be able to do, or you think a lot, you do a lot, but at the back of the mind there is something, okay, I will not be able to get this is impossible, right? So that thought came pops up into a mind, and at the back of the mind you're having that thought, means you are not having faith. You're not having faith in your desire to manifest, right? And without faith nothing works. Even the relationship doesn't work. So your relationship with the universe is not working. Hence, you will not be able to manifest anything into your life. So it is so much important. So these are number four important major reasons through which you are not able to manifest anything into your life. So if you are having this kind of problems, and if you are having this thing, then you will never be able to manifest into your life. So get rid of all those four reasons which I just mentioned. And this is really great, right? Make sure you keep notes of it then, and also like, share, and subscribe. Right? This is next level thing which I'm trying to tell you. So how you are able to going to manifest anything you want? Become clear on what you want, as if you already received it, and or are in the process of receiving it. For instance, when you place an order online, you know that the store will ship and deliver it to you. It's a done deal. The manifestation works the same way. You order by wanting, writing, seeing yourself having it, and taking steps to receive it. Don't wonder if it is going to work. No, it's a done deal. So yeah, this is the thing. This is the important thing, right? This is the number one. Become clear on what you want, and think that as if you are already received it, or you are in the process of receiving it. Right? That way you attract, right? So for instance, when you place an order, it's given example like you placing an order on Amazon, Zomato, Swiggy, you know that your order will be delivered, right? You don't have to check many times, or you don't have to worry whether the order will come or not. Same goes with the help of manifestation. Know this principle, it will really do a wonder, right? Next, write your desire from the present tense perspective as if you already received it. For example, I am grateful now that I have received my possession $20,000. I'm happy, healthy, and wealthy. Simply write 25 words. Less is more. When you know what you want, you will be very specific. Right? So that's what we just talk about, right? You must be specific about a particular manifestation. Right? You don't do the blunt things, right? You write that specific thing in a present tense, right? Under 25 words, right? Like this is want, I want, and these are the stuff I'm looking for, right? And then you universe will definitely look for it, that you are specific in your thing, and it will help you in one way or another. Write in a notebook the old school way. Make your desire statement so clear that if someone read it, they would see it just as clearly as you. This is also important. Write a note, right? A old school way, right? Make your desire statement so clear that if someone read it, they would just see just clearly as you. So now you just written it, take a screenshot of your desired statement, make it as a lock screen or home screen on your phone. Let it run as a screensaver on your computer. So every time you touch your phone, you mentally connect with your desire, right? People just think and just write, but they never just think about what the desire was, right? They forget. But when you are having the live example in front of you, maybe in the form of screenshot or screensaver, then every time you look at it, you think about it, that this is my goal and this I want to manifest, right? So you are letting your desire come into picture and getting connect with it. That is the important thing. Write your desire statement every day in the same notebook before you go to bed. After you write it down, this is the visualization process. Close your eyes, visualize, and feel the details of your desire. For example, imagine holding a statement in your hand that shows the amount of money manifested. Feel the paper on with your fingertips. See the color of the bank statement, the logos, and the graphics. Make it as real as you can. Go to bed, wake up the next day, and do the last step over again, right? So this is the kind of building connection and then visualizing the stuff, right? Visualizing your desire, right? As if you are just mentally preparing yourself for this to manifest. Because remember that everything manifests in this world takes place into mind first. So you are somewhere getting this desire to be there into your mind for manifestation. So these are the steps. Okay, so write your desire statement in the same notebook before you go to bed and then try to visualize it, right? When you use your all senses to to get the emotionally connected for feeling, right? In that way, you can use every sense of you, right? And in that way, you can make it as real as you can, right? And repeat this over and over again, right? Keep on writing and visualizing every day until the desire is manifested. Be persistent and know what you want is yours and you are receiving it, right? Keep on writing, right? There is a book called It Works. It Works by R.H.J. It talks about manifestation also. And in that way, the writer clearly shows the three-step process which you will be able to manifest anything into your life. And out of these three steps only, these steps just just the advanced thing of that thing, right? I have made something very much clear and detailed. If you follow this, then I guarantee you there is nothing that will stop you from manifestation, right? And even if you're trying to manifest anything and if you use powers like Shrim Brazi, Arakara, and all that, you will be able to make a huge difference into your life, right? But make sure you follow all this process, right? Keep on writing and visualizing until the desire is manifested. Be persistent, know that what you want is yours and you are receiving it. Now, during the day, you will be getting bits of guidance you need to act on. It's a fun part. Nothing is complicated here. Live your life and take action on new ideas as they show up. Act promptly, don't delay. You may receive an idea to call a friend for old friend for an advice. Pick up the phone and call them immediately. The universe is making this connection in the present moment. Yeah, a lot of people just see the angel numbers and see the stuff that the universe is guiding them. Right? Universe is giving them signals. Okay, that you want to manifest this and this thing, do this thing. Right? So you must act promptly and you must understand your intuition. You must be aware and conscious what is going on with you. Certain things are happening in your life. Right? So take a note of it, right? And just trust the process and trust the universe and do the thing promptly, right? Don't delay. So this is the universe making this connection in the present moment. Make sure you accept what the universe wants from you, right? So this is the next level thing. I hope till now you are enjoying this content. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. It will help to reach more people, right? And so, how long will it take the goal for manifest? No one knows. Relax. Your desire is spiritual seed that takes its own time to grow. If you give up on it, the desire will stop growing, wither, and die. The course in the miracle says those who are certain of the outcome can afford to wait and wait without anxiety. Right? This is so much important. Let me just highlight this thing. So how long will it take for this goal to manifest? No one knows. Relax. Your desire is a spiritual seed. It takes its own time to grow. If you give up on it, the desire will stop growing and wither and die. The Course in the Miracle says those who are certain of the outcome can afford to wait and wait without anxiety. right? Get ready and have fun manifesting. So this is the amazing talk regarding how you can manifest anything into your life, whether it's these steps you need to take, whether you are chanting it anything or not, right? And this will really help you in your area of life, whether you are chanting or not. This thing is really working. We have tested and we have proven. That's why we have made a lecture. I hope you get a clear point about the manifestation and you will be able to manifest so many things. I wish you blessings. I wish you a lot of abundance, prosperity into your life. And you live almost all the pillars of your life being abundant, rich, and prosperous. So see you in the next video till then.